Did you consider running in 2024? From my perspective, I would have loved it if you ran. I think you would have had a great chance of winning, not just the primary, but the presidency.
I gave about 5 minutes thought to it. And the reason was we have a slogan in the progressive movement, it's not about me, it's about us. And, to have taken on Biden, who, in my view, on domestic issues has been quite strong, would have really split the Democratic Party and laid the groundwork for an easy Trump victory. And that I did not want to see. So sometimes in life, and I know that a lot of younger people don't agree with me, but you got to make choices which are painful. So I strongly supported Biden because I liked his domestic record. He's done some good things against a lot of opposition, and I'm supporting Kamala right now. But I'm doing my best to see that a dangerous guy like Donald Trump does not become president.
And the hope for you is that there will be future candidates that are populist, that are progressive.
Yes, absolutely.